Hi guys, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Today we are going to make the easiest chicken wings ever. They're moist, delicious, crispy, and oh, did I say delicious? Check out this air fryer, so super cool. Can't wait to tell you all about it. Literally just going to use 3 ingredients. Our wings, of course, the Suzy Q that I always talk about, some paprika, and we're going to put it in the air fryer. And look how pretty this thing is. It's just so super stunning. It looks great on my counter. Went ahead and washed and patted down my chicken wings, and we're going to take our Suzy Q and just go ahead and put that on both sides. Now, if you don't have Suzy Q, it's okay. I will have a link down in the description box if you're interested in trying it out, because it's really just a mixture of pretty much everything in your cabinet mixed into one. It has salt, pepper, a little bit of like literally everything, onion powder, garlic powder, everything. So we're just going to use that and our paprika and just go ahead and flip it over and do both sides. Let's put them in this basket. Look at this basket, you guys. It's tempered glass. It's so super cool. Makes for super easy cleanup as well. Just going to go ahead and line those up in there. I didn't put any baking soda or baking powder on there. No oil. I'm not going to use any oil. It's literally just our seasoned wings, and we're just going to make sure that they don't touch. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put that in there. We're going to set our temperature at 400 degrees. We'll set it for 20 minutes, give it a check, and see how it looks. We don't need to flip it or anything like that because it has that wonderful crisper on the bottom, so there is no need to do anything. You just set it and forget it, walk away. Go do something for 20 minutes. I wanted to talk to you about this air fryer for just a moment because it has so many unique features on it that my other ones don't have. So as you can see, I still have my Power XL, which I absolutely love, but this one has so many unique things that I'm like I said, I am super excited to share with you. It is by Aukey Home, and it comes with all of these little pamphlets right here. So it has like the user manual, of course, that is extremely important to read, and you do want to make sure that you take a good look at it. Now, this is only a 1200 watt air fryer, and I have to say I am quite shocked at how quickly it still cooks everything. Like just like my other ones are 1700 watt, this one is only 12, so I was a little nervous about the adjusted time, but it's actually like it's actually just as quick, probably because it's a smaller capacity. Comes with this recipe book, and it has like all these wonderful recipes in there, which I haven't tried any of them out, I'm not gonna lie, but I did do the french fries. So anyway, and then it also has like a Q code on the back. See here, it has all the entrees, and it has some it has a bunch of little sides and stuff like that. It has a bunch of little things that you can take a look at. And if you turn it over, it has this little Q code on the back, and you can actually log into it with your phone, and you can pull up a whole bunch of recipes that aren't included in this book, which I think is really, really cool. Everything comes in this great little envelope, which carries your has your quick start guide, and that's for the lazy people that don't like to read the owner's manual, which is typically me, but I did read it this time just because I wanted to know all about it. And it also comes with this warranty. It comes with a 2-year warranty, but this is for another warranty if you want on top of it for another year. So you just go ahead and register it on there online. One of the things that I'm super stoked about is, check it out. You can turn the little handle and you open it up, and then you can push it back in and the light comes on. There's actually a window in this one. Can you believe it? There's a window in there. So it's a basket style air fryer that has a window, and I think that is so super intelligent. So I'm hoping that we're going to see some more of these features in the future. And I like that the handle swivels. So anyway, this is the basket. It is not your traditional basket. It is a tempered glass, and it is a 3.7 liter capacity. So it's on the small side, which is perfect for like a single person. Oh, it also comes with this crisper. This crisper is like magic. But anyway, what I was saying is that it's perfect for like a single person or somebody that's going into a dorm room or single living, anybody that's single living, because it makes just the right amount of food for everybody. So anyway, the functions on it are very simple. You just turn it on, and then see the little lines right there. If you keep pushing those buttons, it'll go to the different functions. So as you can see, it says air fryer, it says bake, broil, it has roast, it has reheat on there. The reheat is perfect like if you have leftover pizza, and it actually has a dehydrator button on there as well, which I think is super cool. It's really easy to turn on. You just turn on you just click the little temperature thing, and all you have to do is hold down that little button to make it the right temperature you want. You can hold it down and it'll just keep on going. You don't have to keep on tapping, which I didn't know at first. So I started playing with it. I wanted to see how low it would go, and it goes all the way down to 100 degrees, which is perfect. I think that's what you dehydrate at, if I'm not mistaken. And it goes the same way if you turn it up. If you just push the up, and it'll go all the way up to 400 degrees, which is perfect for most of the things that we air fry. Pretty sure anyway. You usually do between 350 and 400 for a lot of my things. And it also has the timer over here, so you just click on that, and same thing, you just turn it on to however long that you want to cook your food for. On that note, back to our wings. Let's go see how they're doing in there. Okay, we have 1 minute to go. I wanted to listen to how quiet it is. Even when it was cooking, it was really, really quiet. So you just heard the little dings there. Now we're going to pull them out. I wanted you to hear that little sizzle as soon as they come out, because that lets you know that they are completely crispy. But we know what, we still have to go ahead and check it with our temperature thing to make sure that it is at least 165 degrees in the inside, which mine is like excessively over. I like totally could have done it like 5 minutes less, but I kind of like my things a little on the overcooked side anyway. But look at here, we put no oil in it whatsoever, and nothing stuck. And I have to say, I am pleasantly surprised with this little gadget. Now comes the fun part, the taste test. You have to hear how crispy it is. Did you guys hear that crunch? Oh my goodness, delicious. It is so crunchy on the outside, and it is nice and moist and juicy on the inside, which is exactly how we like it. And we use no oil whatsoever, so it's a healthier version of a chicken wing. So I'm just used some barbecue sauce to dip mine in. Wanted to show you real quick. This is how I cleaned it off, which is so super easy. I just used my Dawn Power Wash and just rinsed it out. And or you can actually put these right into the dishwasher if you would like, but I just find it's a lot easier just to use the sponge. I wanted to show you just a couple of other things that I tried out in the air fryer as well. Anyway, I love this thing. It is so super handy, and even though I have like a couple other air fryers, I have the Power XL oven style, and I have the basket style as well. This is also a handy addition because the cleanup on this one is like so super easy. I love that it has the tempered glass. I love that it has the crisper on the bottom, because look at these nuggets right here. Oh my gosh. I mean, they always turn out perfectly in this one. So, I mean, they do in all of them, don't get me wrong, but I like the crisper on the bottom of it. So anyway, I will have a discount code for you in my comment section, and I will have a link to their product in my description box, as well as the recipe to the air fryer wings if you should like to take a look at it. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. This was a lot of fun, and thank you so much to Aukey Home for supplying me with this air fryer. I'm getting a lot of use out of it, as you can see. Like I said, I've only had it for a short amount of time, but I'm having so much fun. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.